Here's the car. Little update. I have it front shocks, rear shocks. Might not look like it's much, but the rear is a little lower. I mean, with the 1-inch drop spring in the front, and then I put the motor in, it should kick it down a little. The rear is squatting. It's 1.5 inches lower than it was. I ended up putting some lowering blocks. Those are 1.5 inches on each side. So new shackles and the blocks to lower it down a little. So it was up a little higher, but now it's going to be down. I think it's going to ride okay. Only problem is how much weight I put inside. Will it hit the fender? Yeah, I could fit one finger in, but not two. So she's back outside. Just took all the undercoating, factory undercoating off the fender with the good old needle scaler. Ended up using seam sealer on all the seams. The seam sealer is done in the whole car. All the seams, and then you can see I've started with the sound deadening mat. This is one box. Some shit made in Kakazan. $10 square feet per box. So I have one more box over there. I think I'm gonna need another 6 boxes. I'm gonna do the top 2. Firewall, floor. Well, the floor and firewall first, and then move to the trunk. And yep, I went yellow. I didn't pick up the camera yet since. This is middle of the process. I'm shaking up the can of this custom coat bed liner. And this is safety yellow. Why? Who gives a shit? Is it professional? I don't care. Am I a professional? I'm a professional. But yeah, safety yellow. This is already 3 cans. I'm on my 4th. Bottom side, all that shit. You gotta spray this thing that goes on the front of the hood. Spray the trunk. And the top of the car is left, and then 2 fenders and the hood. So this leaves me with 4 cans remaining in the box. It's 8 cans total. Custom coat, safety yellow. Yep, that's that. We're gonna do black and yellow, like the song. I don't know. And with a blue engine. Yep. Yellow update. Whoa. It's really bright. That is really bright. It's yellow. So are the fenders and hood and trunk. So I have 1 can left. Yep, this is safety yellow, and then a can of hardener. I still have to paint this thing that goes in front of the bumper. And yeah, it is yellow. So the idea is, because I couldn't find the trim piece that is here, I'm missing these two. I'm just gonna paint all this black rubber, tint the windows black, all up under here is black, and then put the chrome strip on, and then there'll be a chrome around the window, and then the chrome around the windshield. Should be fine. But I'm done spraying for today. Let this stuff clear for about an hour. You can see it's a little heavier in some spots, but it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's good to go. That's how I'm gonna rock it. And if you don't like it, don't paint your car yellow with bed liner. Next would be the motor trans. Drop that in. Yeah, so all the suspension's done. Lowering blocks, gas shocks. The same goes for the front, upper, lower control arm, spring, shocks, bushings. All that's gonna be black. And then inside is matte. I have to get some more matte so I can do the top, the roof. And I got the rubber seal for the rear window. So once I ordered the headliner, or after I matte everything, I'll order the headliner. I'll probably build a plate here and just make it solid. And then drop the motor in, work the wiring, and that'll probably be my next step. Interior, that's not shit. Just have someone rewrap the seats. I can do the floor and the headliner. So I'm gonna do yellow and then black interior, black on all black. Black on black? Oh no, that's yellow on black. Whatever. It is what it is. But that's the thing for today. And it's dinner time. Cheer! As it's the next morning, after I sprayed it yesterday, it's all together. Letting the garage air out because this fucker stinks. There are areas where I definitely need more paint. Like you can see it there. Some high build, low spots. Definitely on the trunk. All this area, it's lighter. You can still see the primer underneath. But it fully sprayed up. Sheet is sprayed and looking very yellow. Very yellow. Oh wow. But yeah, you can definitely tell, like in the roof, like some areas where it's more concentrated, and then some areas where it's not as concentrated. But I'll have to order another can of this. Another 3 or 4 cans. But it has that, ooh, that sheen to it. It's bed liner, bro. It looks like it's wet, but definitely has that. Damn, it's blinding me. But yeah, it's all together. All together. That is this update so far. I mean, I think I sprayed it at like 80 PSI and it's smooth. It's not like super rough. Well, it is rough, but it's like a soft rough. That doesn't make sense, but yeah, it's a soft rough. Look at it. And you can tell a little like it's heavier, or more concentrated here, but not there. And then the trunk definitely need another coat. And then there's like some boogers coming out, but I'm not worried about it. Yeah. That's right. Yes, sir.